Hey guys, here we go with the next episode in the USS Grissom and Klingon Bird of Prey set from Lights in 1/1000 scale. As you saw in the last video, we just finished up with the Bird of Prey, so now we're going to be starting with the USS Grissom. Let's take a look at what we have to deal with. Okay, as you can see, this is going to be a very easy build. There's basically only 3 steps to the entire ship build, and very few parts that go along with those 3 steps. Now, as you can see here, that's basically it. Here you have I think this is the sensor pod, the section of the ship. Basically just 2 halves that go together, and there it is, you're done. Then you have the main hull of the ship, which is just the dome attached to there, and there you go. It's just 2 simple parts. It's going to be a very easy build. Most of the work is going to come in the decals, which is where the kit gets a little more interesting, as these are all the decals that have to be applied to the USS Grissom to bring it to life. So that's going to be interesting. And I've decided that it's way too simple of a build, so I'm going to be adding some details that may make it just a little more interesting. If we look at the main saucer section, it's got 3 hangar bays. So what I'm going to do is, the one that faces forward, I've already cut it out so that it's open into the saucer. And I'm going to insert, or at least try to insert, one of these small shuttles from another kit that is going to be a surprise build for a buddy of mine. I'm not going to tell you which ship this piece came from. Those of you out there who are well versed in Star Trek models might know, but I'm going to keep that a secret in case my buddy watches this video. But we're going to be taking one of these shuttles and inserting it into the saucer section, kind of like that, so that when you take a peek inside it, you'll see a shuttle sitting there waiting to launch. It's a tiny little detail that will be hardly noticeable to anyone other than me, probably. But I figured it would make this build just a little more fun, as it looks like it's just going to be a little too easy. So as usual, I try to make it as difficult for myself as possible. Okay, this is going to be a very short video, just an intro to the USS Grissom. And join me along for the ride here, because the Klingon ship was loads of fun, went together great, and even though the Grissom is going to be a very simple part of the build, it should be loads of fun too, with a little bit of detailing and the decal work, and adding the shuttle into there, which I don't even know if it's really going to fit, but I'm going to try anyway. I figure we might have some fun with that. So, hope to see you on the next video. And remember, like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing here. And join me on my Facebook page, Onyx Models, where I have a lot more pictures and stuff concerning all of my builds. And check out some of my other builds. You might find something that you like. Alright guys, I'm going to end this here, and I will see you on the next one.